How to listen to music offline on eSound. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily listen to music offline on eSound. But before getting started, be sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. So, in order to download music offline on eSound, you first need to have the application. And if your application is not up to date, you can check on Play Store to update the app. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your application, and then from here, you just want to head over to your home section. Now, you just have to find a song that you want to download. So let's say if I want to download any song from this artist right here, I'm just going to tap on the profile, and you just want to make sure that your artist is on your favorite list. And once you do that, I'm just going to tap on the song that I want to download, and then tap on this two dots right here, and you'll see this download offline button. Just tap on it and it will start downloading so that you could play it offline. You'll find all of your downloaded songs on your library, so you will be able to find that song on your library. Go ahead and open up your library, and as you can see, the saved songs, you can find the song that you have just saved. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.